My name is Urmila Nijamkar. I'm basically born, brought up Pune, and my family consists of my husband. He's a businessman, and my son is there. He's aspiring for NEET preparation after his 12th. We are basically born, brought up totally in Pune, Maharashtra itself. I look after. I'm basically area director in Hulux International, and I'm looking after the western part of Maharashtra, Pune and Nagpur, and rest of Maharashtra. And it's a very wonderful organization. I feel I'm blessed to be in this organization. Working with lot of leaders, my top leaders, they are also very supporting, very cooperative and very helpful and very guiding nature to all of us. We have multiple products. We have 50 plus products right now. That's why it's it's a wide exposure, whereas the products are concerned. It's a direct selling company. Basically, since I have a direct sell experience of last 25 years, so I find a great opportunity to be with Hulux. It's a great opportunity. It's a great feeling for me and my family. Basically, double millionaire, when it comes, the feeling itself, the word itself is very, it's a total happiness for me and my family. My son, my husband, they're very happy about it. That especially my son, he feels very proud because mom is a very successful woman in the society, and she can aspire her dreams. So that's why it's basically a role model for him to achieve his dreams. So that makes me feel very happy. That's why being millionaire in Hulux, which is very much possible for anybody, whoever is joining Hulux, they can achieve their level of income to any levels, whether millionaire, double millionaire, lakpati, and establish their dreams and achieve their dreams in life very easily. We are having a flat which is quite our dream house we have, and I equally help my husband for paying the installments, which is our dream house. And at the same time, we are planning for, since my son is going to go for a big education, so we are saving money for his education, so which is a dream for both of us. So it's a very good feeling, because that gives a goal for me and my family, my son also, and we are working on that goal. My professional goal and personal goal are both are united, and we work towards it. So it's a really good feeling for all of us. My son was very happy. My husband is also very happy, and financial status is very comfortable because of becoming double millionaire. Double millionaire, it always makes you feel very satisfied and happy and established. Hulux is a platform which has made me very independent in financial situation. I can take up any challenges in life, especially as I said regarding the home loans are there, or my son's education is there. So it's very good feeling for me and my family, and also it's a motivation for my full team, all my team members, all my partners who are working with me. So they are also looking for achieving big things in life. So it's a motivation which has been given by the company for everybody. Wow, Hulux Club Royal is an amazing thing, which is the best part of my life. I'll always like to be a part of Hulux Club Royal, because first of all, we go there, we achieve awards. That is the biggest thing in life. That's why, because of those awards, especially everybody gets motivated. After a certain period of life, women feel that everything is over for them, but it's not like that. If you come to Hulux platform, our new dreams can start, our new achievements can start. We feel that in school and college everything is over. School, college, we used to get awards, but Hulux is a platform where we get awards, we get recognitions, we can go on stage, we can take awards from our MD, Mr. David Stanley. So that's really a very amazing feeling. And of course, the fun and enjoyment, 5-star holiday package for us, which we can go and enjoy with our spouse. That's also amazing feeling. So this is a motivation not only for me, for all my team members. They are also very excited. We are having a lot of partners who would like to qualify, who would like to take awards. For them also, they are also role model for in their family, because of the Hulux Club Royal, because they also get award. Their children are also motivated. So this is a very important part of our life, which helps us to grow professionally, and in all aspects we can achieve big dreams in life. Hulux Leadership Development Plan is amazing, because in this Hulux Leadership Development Plan, any housewife or anybody, professional, businesswoman, anybody can join and grow to different levels. First level is the GFA level, then team leader level, team manager level, director level, branch director, area director. So it's a plan which helps a housewife to start a new career in life after a certain age. Even she feels that everything is over, but it is not like that. When we come to Hulux, new life starts and new achievement starts. So leadership development plans help us to grow to all levels, to achieve all levels of rewards, recognitions. So Hulux leadership development plan will not only develop you, will not only give you personality development, but it will also give you a lot of achievements. It will give you money. Basically, we get MIRG when you work on Hulux leadership development plan. That is money, incentive, recognition, and growth. So all levels we get all achievements in life because of the leadership development plan. We get a lot of trainings at different levels, because of which even if a housewife is joining, she can easily grow to all levels and she can easily achieve all promotions in her life. Basically, promotions, nobody thinks I will get promotion in life, but Hulux is such a platform where anybody can take promotion, achieve the gates, and where anybody can take promotions, become manager, handle a team. So it's an awesome leadership development plan which nobody has in the market. Because of Hulux leadership development plan, I have a lot of big team in my area who are developing as managers, who are developing as directors, and they are the whole breadwinner for their family. They are equally supporting their family, and because of this we are developing a lot of leaders, because since Hulux is growing and expanding its areas and different parts of the city, so that's why a lot of development can happen, and it's growing organization. So it's a wonderful platform where you join as a simple housewife, but you can become a director, diamond director, branch director, area director. So it's a wonderful leadership development. Because of this, the whole area can expand and grow very well. So there are a lot of incentives from the organization. There are a lot of incentives like Club Royal. There are a lot of incentives like World Club is there, and the system is very strong in Hulux, because of which we get a lot of support in the organization to work equally in a comfortable manner. So because of this, everything is systemized, which helps us to grow in the organization very comfortably and very easily, and we can achieve our goals, we can achieve our earnings, and that's why it is very successful. And it is equally supported by our regional director, Mr. Girish, and also our managing director, and we have a full team who's supporting us. That's why it's a teamwork. It's basically like a family. So it's very helpful for everybody to grow in the organization. Come join Hulux, and this is the best platform for everyone. Abhi nahi to kabhi nahi. So come and join and grow up in the organization, become Lakpati, become millionaire. Hulux is a growing organization. That's why you will grow very fast. You will achieve your dreams. You can achieve your vision. You can achieve your personal dreams. You can make your children independent. They can achieve their dreams. So I invite everybody to come and join Hulux and grow.